Nawaf.
There it is.
Oh,
It's recording
never-
now. Okay. So what you want to do is start off on the daily. Okay. And just look at price action. Okay. This is what I used to do when I never understood price action in terms of market structure. Okay. Just catch the swings. So whenever you have price that does this, you get a double top. That's liquidity for price to go higher. Okay. That's it. That's all you need to do. So if this is price respecting this, and all majority of the time you see an auto block that is price is respecting. So I'm expecting price to go higher now, or at least up to that wick. You see? Why to that wick? Because I don't see no auto blocks except for that one, but that's too close to price action. You see? So I need to see a bit of a push, so probably up to there. And I just, just go down to the lower time frame and see what it looks like. You see? That's what I used to do.
Do you actually understand, or are you just saying, TT?
I understand what he's saying.
So that's all. And then you just go down to the lower time frame and just look what it looks like. And then eventually your eyes will start getting used to it. And then obviously,
I understand what he's saying. However,
but look at this. Hold on. Let me just explain something. So whenever you have breaks of structure, look what happens. Look what price comes and retests. You seen that? Yeah. So that's swing structure. Price comes back, taps in, drops.
Okay. It drops 78. Yeah. It drops to the 78.
Okay. So this is what you want to do. So now look, if I'm going to put this across, look, price sort of, oh, this is structure here. Down, up. So structure is there. Okay. Look where price came back to the test. Right 78.
There. 78. If you fib that up move, the pullback, that's a 78.
So now that's a price again. So if we go to a lower time frame and you keep doing the same thing, look at this. So once you start understanding this, so now I'm going to do it this way. That's a double top, push, push, break. Now look at that break. Where does price come back to on that break? Drag it across. Look, price is respecting that range. It doesn't go above it. You see? So now if I put this across, I'm expecting price to respect give us some sort of resistance on this zone. Does that make sense, Tanisha?
And you see that zone he just marked up? You see that imbalance right there in that zone, the daily imbalance?
Yeah, that's where price wants to tap back into to continue to fall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back to sell.
Yeah, because it's coming back up to that level of resistance, and that's confluence with the imbalance area.
Yes.
So I have a friend of mine who literally trades like this. He waits for these breaks of structure and he only trades on the 1 hour. And these are his entries right there. Take the entry from here, stop loss or above the body. And usually he takes the whole swing. He likes to take it off. So basically, his TP1 is going to be there. Right there. TP2 is going to be right here. TP3 is going to be right here. As a matter of fact, they all hit.
What was your location for your TP3? Why isn't it not at the low? I mean, at the bottom,
because there's an inefficiency right here.
the
And if
imbalance.
you look, yeah, and look, price is rejected.
Okay, so you're not taking it to the low like ICT low. You're taking it to the imbalance low. I mean,
For
what's the guy?
me, okay, the way I trade is like I said, I only look for my 3-to-1 and I'm done for the day. You see what I'm saying? So for me,
Yeah.
my 3-to-1 is literally that. So
But TT, that has been taken to the low because it went to the 4-hour bullish order
that's, I
block
don't
and it rejected from that area. Now price is going back to 35,500. 35 or 34? 500 for another sell.
So TT, this is my 3-to-1. That is my trade and I'm done for the day. But on these trades, I'm not taking my trades, especially when I had my MFF, I was doing literally 10 to 20 pip lot sizes on this. I literally take 2 trades a week. I wait for
You
the
said
setup.
10 to 20 pip stop loss?
10 to 20 lot size.
Don't tell the women in this group that, you know, because they have a tendency to go crazy on their you know.
You be quiet, Boomer, over there.
Yeah. And
He said
depending on
he's ex.
Involved
He's
in
not.
any dude in the group, yeah.
so yeah.
So, okay. Yeah.
So just do this, Nisha. I'm telling you, you will end up seeing market so much clearer. So just look at the swings again. So that's your swing. Right there, right there. That's it. So if you look at what happened, where's the pivoting point over here? Where's a clear pivoting point that has happened? We don't have one except maybe for this one. So maybe price could come back, retest this and continue higher. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Another way you can, yeah, go ahead.
It's so calm how he moves, right? This is how calm, you know, because I hear people say their anxieties are up when they're in their trades. Like there should be no reason for that, right? For me, in a perfect world, if I could trade with Nawaf and Todd and anybody who takes this seriously, we're just sitting here going through this. Right? And this is why you can't really just sit together, right? Because we don't know when the time is actually time. If we try to hit the hot zone, I don't know why I keep slipping my mind about what that's called, the little hot time or whatever. We may get together at that time. And then if something shows itself, okay, more times than not, we're going to get a quality move around that area, right? I'd like to see 20 traders side by side at those times. And Wah feels the same way. I know Todd feels the same way. Anybody that really wants to do this, like if we get 20 profitable traders together and we're doing this, it is icing on the cake for me to not just do this by myself. Very fun what we're doing. Very profitable. Nobody about nothing. We're just going in here and reading healthy price action. That's our job.
So just to give you an understanding of how I would enter this trade, what I look for is basically, so ICT will be looking for entries at the very bottom. So basically probably even on the 1 minute. So for me, what I'm looking for is if price respects that whole thing right here, that candle, I gotta respect price pushes up. Now. I had price close below that, above it. So the next candle needs to tell me that it's rejecting in there. So this is my entry right there. Stop loss over there. I'll just take it up to that. So I don't place sell limits or buy limits. I place sell stops and buy stops instead. So this is how I enter my trades.
Fire. When I tell you that's fire, that's what I'm missing. I know how to do it. I just don't do it. And now that you do it, it empowers me to want to do it. All right.
Yeah.
If I do this, I have now quadrupled my profits. I don't even part. I just do the first part.
This is the same example over here. You guys will be waiting for that breaker's structure for price to come back and retest. I'm waiting for price to break this right here. My entry is there. And then where do I take my take profits? I usually take my profits on the 15. So this is TP1 right here. That's TP2 right here. And then I go to the left. And if I can't see anything, this is where I go to the daily. So for me, yeah, can't really see much over there right now.
To
So
the
for
top
me,
of the
this,
imbalance.
so that would be TP3 for me. And if I look
Oh,
at
the
it,
top
yeah.
of the closed candle.
Yeah, so that lines up perfectly with, there's an order block and the Asia high. And also, if we look at it, this is liquidity being formed right now. On there we go. So yeah, I feel like price might push up for US30, or at least up to here or up to this mid-range. All right, people, I am gonna go to bed. About work in the morning.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Thank you all for
Thank you.
listening.
Workout session, man.
Yeah.
Hey, Noah,
Yeah, what's up, bro?
bed is overrated, dude.
What's overrated?
Bed.
What's ever? Say that again.
Sleep is overrated. Man.
Hey, man, look, you 50 years old, okay? There's a little saying, bro. Hold on,
Hey.
hold on. Hold on, hold on. I'm not insulting you, bro.
No,
Listen
I
to me.
know. I'm just saying.
50 is the new 30, bro. Okay? For some reason, you all get younger when you hit that age, man. All right? 30 is the new 50, bro. All right?
No.
So I'm tired as hell, bro. You probably have so you probably have kids that are in high school and all that. My kid's still baby, man. I still need to wipe their ass, all right? So
That's why you're
it's
tired.
different.
And their kids out
Yeah.
the house, so they good.
Mm-hmm.
I know. Todd B